Hello and welcome to the second video. As we are going quick in this series, in this lesson today, let's learn about the text formatting in HTML5. As we discussed, these are the basic page elements of a website. We have the doc type HTML for HTML5 standards, the HTML wrapper, and the head section of a website, the body section of a website. So uh, each element we put on our website or web page must be wrapped with a tag, which is its own tag. And if you want to put a paragraph on our website, so we must wrap it inside a p tag. So don't worry about these tags. You can find them all in the W3 Schools website, and they are just categorized. You can get there by alphabet, by category, by browser support, by attributes. Different categories are available. I'll put the link in the description. So let's start with the p tag. As you can see in the previous video, we just put this one, but this is wrong, as we have to wrap it inside a p tag. You can just write p and press the tab button to get the p tag, or without that you can just open this bracket or sign and close it, and you will get the starting tag and ending tag of a p, and inside that you can write the your text, your desired text, and that will be fine. Everything will be fine. Okay, so p tag is for showing paragraph on the browser. Let's save it and view it on the browser. As you can see, we get this tag here, text. Okay, and with the p tag we have some matters, like the line breaks doesn't work. For example, if I put a line break here after the elite and go to the browser and refresh it, I don't get that one here. So what to do that? For that we have the br tag. BR is a void tag, and it is not having any ending tag. It's alone. And let's refresh it. Yeah, now we get the break here, and as well as the extra spaces doesn't work with the p tag. For example, if I put some lots of space here and save it and refresh it on the browser, I don't get those spaces as well. So for this things, for the purpose of getting the space and the enter that all, we can use another tag which is called pre. For example, we can use that for writing poem. With the p, writing poem is a bit difficult, but with the pre we can use pre. Yeah, and when I write something inside the pre tag, we get that somehow better than the p. We get this space because we have it here, and if I just remove that space from there, now we get that. And the p works like the spaces or the line breaks works here as well. If I put a space, a line break here, another line, two line breaks here, and save it and view it on the browser, yeah, we got all that breaks here. And if we need some kind of a space, we can just put the spaces as well. Yeah, so when you need pre or such structure, you can use the pre tag, or if you just need a common paragraph, you can use the p tag, which is quite widely used, actually, the p tag. And another tag for writing text is small tag. Small tag just can show you some small text. Here's a small tag. Let's refresh it. Yeah, we get a small text, smaller than the general p. Okay, then the other tag for text formatting is strong. If we need some kind of strong words within our paragraph or out of our paragraph or anywhere, we can use the strong tag. For example, let me wrap this elite with the strong tag. Strong, and just bring this elite inside the strong. Let's save it and refresh it here. Now you can see that this one is a bit bold. Okay, you can wrap a sentence or a word, that does not matter. For example, inside we can just wrap this conquer. I don't know what is written here, but we can wrap it inside a strong tag. And let's now bring this ending tag to the end of the sentence. Let's save it and refresh it. Yeah, as we get some strong text here as well. The next tag is emphasize check or italic. We can just add a design and italic some words or a word or a sentence or even a paragraph. So you can use either I or the em tag. Em tag will make your text like italic. Let's save it and just see the last sentence of the first paragraph. Last sentence of the first paragraph. Let's reload our page and you can see that it is like italic. The next tag is the abbreviation tag. If you need to put some kind of abbreviations inside your web page, you can just do it by adding ABBR tag, abbreviation. You put the abbreviation inside the tag, for example BBC, and you can the full form inside the title, for example British Broadcasting okay, company, I think, if I'm not wrong. Let's save it and refresh it and browse. Yeah, we got the BBC, and if we hover on that, the full form will appear. The next tag is insert or delete tag. If you want to show the users that this word is newly inserted, you can just use or wrap that word with the insert tag, which is ins, insert. And for example, this word inside the em is newly inserted. Let's save it and refresh it. This is already like italic, but this word is newly inserted. Let's refresh it. Yeah, we get an underline under that. Besides, the next one is if you want to show the user that this word or sentence is deleted, so you can just use the wrap that sentence or word with the delete tag. Let's say del, okay, del, and wrap the sentence, the complete sentence. So this one, let's save it, and this paragraph must be shown as deleted. Let's refresh it or reload our page pressing Ctrl R. Yeah, we get that as deleted. After that, for writing some mathematical or chemistry or biology formulas, you can use the superscript or subscript text. For example, if we want to write some mathematical like 2 power by 2, then we can do that by, like, let's say 2, then and the superscript text, okay, then the 2. Let's save it and see what we get here. Let's refresh. Yeah, we get 2 power by 2. And with the same way with the chemistry formulas, like if you want H2O, in simple ways we get like this, but we have to bring this 2 down there. So we'll put it inside a subscript tag. 2 H2O. Let's see if we get the H2O. And for writing some titles on our web pages, we have the H1 to H6 heading text. That we have the H1 for the biggest one, and this is a big title. Let's save and reload. This is a big title. And the H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 will get smaller than this one. H2, this is heading 2. Yeah, we got a bit smaller. And going on for H3, heading 3 is smaller than 2. Let's see, yeah, we got smaller text. After that, we have, now let's jump to H6, and which is very small. Here we go. Okay, so this was all for this video for the text formation in with a HTML5, and hope you get something. And if you have any question, kindly share it in the comment section. Thank you very much.